So my dear students, today we will start with accountancy. This is our first chapter. Accountancy, you have three major subjects, major in the sense of commerce stream, accountancy, business studies, and economics. Accountancy, business studies, and economics. These are your three commerce stream subjects. Along with it, you have English in common. English is common subject for all science as well as commerce stream, and you have a choice between three subjects, that is physical education, mathematics, and computer science. Out of these three subjects, you can choose one as a fifth subject. So four subjects are accountancy, business studies, economics, English, and the fifth one is the choice between physical education, mathematics, and computer science. So out of these three, you will choose one as a fifth subject. First subject, accountancy. We will start today with chapter number 1. Nikita, what is our chapter number 1? Meaning and objectives of accounting. Meaning and objectives of accounting is our first chapter. So it is understood that in this chapter you are going to learn something about what is accountancy, what is accounting, why accounting is done, what is the need and importance of doing accounting, what are the objectives of accounting, why it is necessary to do accounting, proper accounting, and what are the different fields of doing accounting. All these things we will learn in this chapter. First 4 or 5 chapters are completely theoretical chapter. They are based on the fundamentals, on the principles, on different terminology used in accounting. So if you pay attention in the first 5 or 6 chapters, you will be very well able to understand what we are going to study in this particular subject. Accounting is not a new subject. Accounting is not something which you have never heard of. Even in your homes, you must be hearing about accounts. You must be hearing about budget. You must be hearing about these terms which gives you the indication that something about money is being talked about. You must be hearing your parents talking about the economy, talking about the economic condition, talking about the adverse situation these days we all are going through, about the economic crisis, about the shortage of money, all because they are aware of the expenses which you are going to incur during the coming days. Expenses and income, the proper balance between these makes a budget. What is accounting? What is accounting and why it is important to do accounting? Why all the companies, why all the households, they are much worried about this accounting? Because it is a matter of money. It is a matter of money. Meaning of accounting. In accounts, what do we do? In accountancy, what do we do? What do we do in bookkeeping? Why it is important? What are the objectives of accounting? All these questions will be cleared to you in this particular chapter. My dear students, I wish to tell you that all of you are new to this stream. This stream is new to you, but there is one good thing. There is one good thing to know about this stream and about all of you at present. All of you are on the same level now. All of you are on the same level now. Can anyone tell me what do I mean by this? Srajal, can you explain what do I mean when I say it is a news for you that you all are on the same level?
Sir, it means that all did not know about the particular subject. They all are new
Yes,
in
you
their
see,
stream.
Sarthak and Priyadarshini, I can see them, and Isha. It is a good thing about all the students, those who are in commerce stream now, that nobody in the class knows anything about commerce. Everybody has to start from the beginning. Everybody has to start from zero up to class 10th. Few days before, you all knew that what is my position in the class. Everybody knew these 10 students are very good. They are always getting 80, 85, 90. You knew your position that I am getting average marks like 50%, 60%, or maybe 70%. You know that this is the hierarchy in the class, that first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth positions are there, and I am at this particular position for the last 4, 5, 6 years. But this good thing has happened when all of you have decided to take this new stream, commerce stream, and all have become equal now. The good thing is nobody knows anything. Nobody knows anything about commerce. And it is a good thing because now you can also come up with your hard work, with your dedication, with your interest in this stream, which you have chosen by yourself, I believe, or under the guidance of your parents or maybe teachers, your well wishers. If you have chosen this stream, so I am very happy to say that you have taken a very good decision, because this is the stream nowadays in recent years which has given happiness to many of the students, those who were of the mind to take science and they afterwards opted for commerce. They are more happier now. The tells that study tells that it is your decision, so stick to it and start from zero. So what I am teaching you today, it is for all and nobody knows anything about it. So if you take your studies seriously, if you take interest regularly, join your classes, then I am sure that all of you will be above average from the beginning only. All of you will be above average and very good students from the beginning only. Start counting yourself from 100%. If you do not work hard, then you will come down. Otherwise, if you pay attention, every day you will gain something. Every day you will learn something new and you will come up. I'm very happy to see a lot of students today. I do not know exact strength right now. It is around 45 plus. But all of you, your names are not there with me. So slowly, when I will interact with you and come to know about your names and other details, then I will save your numbers in my phone also. So what do you mean by accounting? Accounting is important because everyone at the end of the day, every businessman at the end of the year, he wants to know about his financial position, about his profit or loss, about his income, about what he has to pay to others, about what he has done throughout the year. For all this, he needs to maintain proper record of each and every transaction. A new word for you, transaction. And I add in this business transaction. Business transaction. Transactions are recording of events which take place in business, sale and purchase of goods, sale and purchase of goods and services. So when these transactions are related to your business, we call them business transactions. And all the business transactions, mind it, all the business transactions must be monetary in nature. All the business transactions must be monetary in nature. Monetary in nature means related to money. All those transactions which you can measure in terms of money and are related to your business, they are recorded in the books of account. We will record only those transactions in our books which are related to money, not any transaction. So I will tell you how you will identify about a business transaction and a transaction which is not related to business. Okay, I hope you all have got the books. Even if you have not got the books, whatever I am telling you, you can write in your rough copies, and I will tell you about how to prepare notes. Okay, and whatever is taught should be there in your fair notebook. Heading wise, you have to write. Ask from your seniors. You can also ask them for the books. Books are not changed, they are same books of the previous year. You can consult your uh, seniors and ask them to give the books to you. No change in any of the book, no change in any of the book, all the books are same. Okay, so don't get worried, you can get the books from your seniors. Coming to the definition of accounting, coming to the definition of accounting, and in the definition of accounting or the meaning of accounting, I will use some words. Accounting, when I talk of accounting, it is identifying, recording, classifying, and summarizing. Some words are used: identifying, recording, classifying, and summarizing. All type of business transactions, all type of business transactions and events which are monetary, in nature, and after that we have to interpret the results. Is it the board is visible to you properly? Okay. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Very good. If it is properly visible, then you can write down some of the highlighters. In accounts and in business and in economics, better, you will have to change your some no writing skill also. Writing presentation skill, I will tell you in times to come. Everything should be highlighted. You have to underline. You have to do like this. Sometimes you have to do like this. Wherever you find any important word, a term, right? I want to highlight this monetary, so I do like this. Monetary term or anything. Creativity, you can use your creativity, but whatever you write, it should be read by the examiner. It should be read by the examiner, and you have to seek his attention to certain things. The very first thing, accounting is science as well as an art. I will tell you later on how accounting is science also and why accounting is an art also. Accounting is science as well as an art, and it is a science of identifying. First step, the whole process of accounting is being explained in this. Whole process of accounting is being explained in this. Accounting is an art of or science of identifying, then recording, classifying, summarizing all the business transactions and events which are of monetary nature, and interpreting the results. Interpreting the results means analyzing and coming to a conclusion. And afterwards, after interpreting the results, last step is communicate. Last is communicate the result to the interested users. जो भी हमारे बिजनेस से रिलेटेड लोग हैं, उनको ये सारे की सारी जानकारी, सारे के सारे रिजल्ट्स अवेलेबल कराना is also very very important. Is also very very important to make available all the information, all the results to the interested users. That is last, also communicate the result. So first step in the process of accounting is to identify the business transactions. The first step you will note down in the form of steps. All the steps should be in the same order, serial order. The first step is to identify whether a transaction is a business transaction or not, whether it is monetary in nature or not. Monetary in nature मतलब वो मनी से रिलेटेड होनी चाहिए, वो बिजनेस से रिलेटेड होनी चाहिए, हमारे बिजनेस से, our own business, and it should be in the monetary terms. Monetary terms means it should be capable of being recorded in the terms of money. It should be capable of being recorded in terms of money. Then we can say that it is a business transaction. Then we can say it is a business transaction. Number two, when we have identified that it is a business transaction, we need to record it. We need to record the business transaction in the books of accounts. We have different books where we make the entries in the written form of the business transactions. After that, we have to summarize those transactions. Summarize का मतलब होता है सिमिलर ट्रांजैक्शंस को एक जगह पे रखना. परचेज, जो कुछ भी हमने परचेज किया है उसको एक जगह पे लिखेंगे. सेल्स हम सेल्स में लिखेंगे. बैंक, हम बैंक की ट्रांजैक्शन सारी बैंक में लिखेंगे. कैश, कैश की ट्रांजैक्शन सारी कैश में लिखेंगे. All the transactions of similar nature will be recorded at one place. It is known as summarizing. Then we classify them according assets, liabilities. All these will be, I will tell you the terms later on. We classify them into different types. Then we interpret the results. Interpret means we analyze. We analyze the result of the different business transactions and communicate these results to the users, to the income tax department, to the GST. You recently heard about GST. उसके अकॉर्डिंग इनकम टैक्स डिपार्टमेंट की नीड्स और रिक्वायरमेंट्स के अकॉर्डिंग all the business transactions are done and presented to the users, and these are, if these accounting is done properly, these can be also used as a proof in the court. These can be used as a proof in the court also. You don't worry, some of these type of nasty ones will be there. We will be definitely getting rid of them very soon. So all this is the first thing I wanted to tell you today about the meaning and the process of accounting. It is the meaning and process of accounting only today I have told you, and we will go through other topics also slowly. Objectives of accounting, characteristics of accounting. Whenever we are going to learn something, we will learn first about its meaning, concept, definition. After that we will come to nature. Nature and characteristics are same thing. Nature or characteristic of features of a particular concept. What are the essential features which are necessary in that particular concept? After that we will learn about its merits, demerits, objectives. So to learn about a concept, you need to know of in and out of each and every concept about it. जो कुछ भी आप पढ़ेंगे, जो भी कॉन्सेप्ट आपको पढ़ाएंगे, उसके बारे में सारी जानकारी आपको होनी चाहिए. What it is, what is the meaning, what is the process, what are its features, what are the merits, what are the demerits, and you will also come to know about the different you will also come to know about different fields, about different types of a particular topic or concept. As I can see those who are there in the screen, your names I can see. Priyadarshini is there and Srajal is there. Sarthak I can see. Okay, and who's there? Payal is there. Puneet I can see. Isha is there. Who's this? Prachi. Okay. And Ansika Saxena. Ansul Mittal, Gurbaz Singh, Anjali Sharma, Asmender, Priyadarshini Singhal, Mohammad Bilal, Yash Sharma, Muskan Sharma, Siddhi Chitis, Rohit, Prerna, Supreet. Okay. So Tomorrow we will continue further, and you have one more class today after this third period. That means in the third period. That third period will start from 55 to, I think it will start from 9:45. Third period.
9:35.